This is a tutorial on the foundation cord, which is similar to a foundation single crochet, but in my opinion, it's better. You're going to start with a slip knot on your hook, but the trick is you want your tail about 3 times the length of what your starting uh, project needs to be. So you're going to want it at least 3 times the length, and you'll see why. You're going to put the slip knot on your hook, and instead of putting the tail away from you, you're going to bring it towards you. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold your working yarn in your hand. You're going to take your tail and you're going to yarn over from the bottom, so going backwards. You're going to take your working yarn, you're going to yarn over, and you're going to, and this is a little bit tricky on the first one, pull it through. Let's try that again. Make it a little bit looser. There you go. Once you get the first one going, it's easier. So then you're going to yarn over, take your working yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, working yarn, pull it through. Tail, yarn over, working yarn, pull through. And then you're just going to keep doing this until it's as long as you would like it or how many stitches you need. This is an alternative to a foundation single crochet that I think looks nicer and works up a little bit quicker. So as you can see, you've got your stitches on the top, looks like this, and then you can still work on the bottom because you also have stitches on the bottom. So I'll do a few more. Again, you're going to hold your working yarn, take your tail, yarn over, take your working yarn, and pull it through. So it's pretty cool. I think it works up nicely. And then if you need to pull it apart for any reason, you're going to take both and you're just going to pull apart like that. Thanks for watching.